Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Chroma Key in CapCut Mobile to remove a background and create a clean green screen effect. But first, what exactly is Chroma Key? Chroma Key is a video editing technique that removes a specific color from your footage and makes it transparent, allowing you to replace the background with another video or another image or even a completely different scene. And it doesn't actually have to be green. You can remove almost any color as long as that color is clearly different from your main subject. However, green in here is the most commonly used color because it usually has strong contrast with skin tones and many other colors. And that's making it easier for editing software to separate the subject from the background. Now let's see how to do it in CapCut. First, just open CapCut and then create new projects. And then after that, just import your video that you want to remove the color area that you want to remove the green screen. And then now select the clip and then just look for the chroma key or just tap on remove background and then next just tap on chroma key, this one, and then in here you will see a color picker, this one, this color picker, and then next just simply move the color picker over the green background that you want to remove like this. And once the green is selected, CapCut will automatically remove that color, but sometimes the result isn't perfect. You might still see some green around the subject, or parts of the subject might accidentally disappear, just like this. You can see the green around the subject, this one. And if that happens, just use the intensity or or shadow to control how much of the selected color is removed. Just increase or adjust it gradually until most of the green background disappears. For example, like this. For example, like this, you can just uh, adjust as you like on here. And then the key here is not to overdo it, because if you increase the setting too much, CapCut may start removing part of your subject that have similar color to the background, just like this. If you overdo it, you can see the several parts disappears on here like this. You can see it. So make sure you adjust it carefully. And then in here, if your background isn't green, don't worry. You can still use this chroma key. Like for example, if your background is blue, just simply use the color picker and select the blue area instead. Just make sure your subject doesn't contain too much of the same color you are trying to remove. And okay, that's basically how you can use the chroma key in CapCut Mobile. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.